Hey guys, it's me, Access Lauren, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the products that I received in May's BoxyCharm. This month's theme is #BoxyNature. In the front it just says packed with gloves and love, Mother Nature. And today this look was totally inspired by the products that I received in the box. So it's gonna be a little different than I usually do it. I usually take the products out, use it, show you how it worked, but this time I'm gonna try to insert a couple clips because I'm kind of like cramped for time right now. So this look was definitely inspired by the box today. So let's just jump right into it. So the first product in today's box is by Glam Glow. It is a Berry Glow Probiotic Recovery Mask. It is a creamy, nutrient-dense, soothing mask with antioxidant-rich berries and probiotics that instantly boost the skin's health, restores radiance, and balances the skin's biome. So I used this first today before I applied my makeup, and oh my god, I feel like it's gonna fall out, but it is awesome. It literally smells like berries. It smells like berry yogurt. Like it seems like it's edible. Like, I love it. And then you leave it on for like 10 minutes, and then whatever's left on after you wait it the 10 minutes, you just kind of just rub it into your face. My face feels so healthy and radiant afterwards. Like, I love that stuff. And the suggested retail price for this mask is $49. So the next product is by Ace Beauté. I think that's how you say it. It is the Scarlet Dusk palette. And this is so freaking pretty. I used this palette today for my look. If you can see, BoxyCharm always forces me to get out of my comfort zone. And as you can see, these are some gorgeous colors. I'm gonna swatch them for you like I always do. The first is Sunset Rose, Crimson, shade Nocturnal, and these are a couple shimmers. Aruba, so pretty. Hibiscus, oh my god, that is so cute. I should have used that color. It says Lotus, Bahamas, another shimmer. Maui, oh my god, this is pretty. Pink Moon, Aurora is another shimmer. And then finally we have Sangria. So definitely a lovely palette. And I am pleasantly surprised by these palettes. I have the other one too, it's the Scarlet Dawn. This is the Scarlet Dusk, and the pigment on these palettes is amazing, and they retail for, I believe, $34.99. Okay, next we have I Am Beauty Care Dead Sea Minerals plus Vitamin C Serum Makeup Remover Wipes. It'll help prevent dark spots while moisturizing and brightening the skin, removes all traces of makeup without causing irritation, leaving the skin hydrated and luminous. Designed for all skin types, including sensitive skin. So, we're gonna test them bad boys out right now. Let's see. And I literally am obsessed with anything that has Dead Sea minerals in it, so. And it says it even removes waterproof makeup. So, here we go, guys. And you know what? The true test of the makeup wipe, I feel like I try to take my makeup off with one wipe. One wipe. I don't want to use multiple wipes on one face. I want one wipe. Wow, looks good. All right, I'm always happy to receive any kind of extra makeup remover or wipes or brush cleaners and things like that. So I'm excited to have this product. Looks good, yes. Oh, and these retail for $17. So next we have Wander Beauty Glow Ahead Illuminating Face Oil. Light diffusing optics deliver instant luminosity, while a potent blend of signature beauty oils and antioxidants help brighten, moisturize, and improve the appearance of skin over time. I love that. This I put on right after I did the mask today, and my skin, it looks like, so say you want to just go out and you don't want to wear makeup and you just want to look beautiful and glowing, you would just put this on right after washing your face, and I think this is just enough. It is gorgeous, and let me show you what it looks like, the consistency of it. So pink and pretty. And I love products that actually, you know, improve your skin, not just makes it look nice, like with glitters and like tints and things. Like, it actually is gonna improve your skin over the time, the longer you use it. So excited to have this product. It retails for $42. And finally, we have Gerard Cosmetics lip pencil. This is my first Gerard Cosmetics product. It is a very creamy liner and very pigmented. I have it on today. It's probably not the neatest, but whatever, it gets the job done. The shade is blah, 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 Immortal, and it is really nice and it's really pretty. And this retails for $17. Okay guys, so that wraps up my review of this month's Boxy Nature, and I'm definitely happy with what I got. If you want to know how you can get your hands on your own BoxyCharm subscription, I will have some information listed in the description box below. Feel free to like this video, share it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you and I can see each other every single time I upload a video. Don't forget to hit me up on all my social medias at Access Lauren. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, concerns, suggestions, feel free to leave them at any time. And my question to you guys is, what did you get this month? What was your #1 favorite product that you received this month? Let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.